The experience of nature is one of awe. One cannot help but marvel at the intricate design of a single leaf, or the roar of a great waterfall. "I am the resplendent shine of a flower," she says, "fiery in crimson joy upon the soil, scintillating, an ember in cyan. I never fade in your world. I am the tiny wings of a rose, luminous at dusk and blazing at dawn, gleaming in happiness like a polar star. Illuminate your galaxy, near and far. I am nature, coming forth. Bask in the wondrous world of the natural, existing and coexisting as one."